Hello everyone! Today we will be comparing ClickUp and Trello, in which one of the two management tool would be best fit for your needs. So, without wasting any time, let's get into now. First, let's just open ClickUp and Trello in tabs. In this comparison video, we are going to check out the products, features, pricing, and the basics of workspace. But first of all, we are going to check out ClickUp. So, go to clickup.com. As you can see the tagline, one app to replace them all. As it says, ClickUp has everything in one roof, like task management, whiteboard, dashboard, chat communication, and even document features. And for bonus, ClickUp has launched ClickUp AI to boost your productivity and save your time. As you can see how ClickUp makes project and task management easier and replaces softwares like Asana and simplifies chat communication and replace Slack and Teams. Same with goal feature. Now, let's check out Trello. Trello brings all tasks and teammates and tools together, and Trello work on this core goal to make project management hassle-free. Trello have a board and list system with drag and drop. Trello can help you out with this type workflows. Now, let's check out Trello's pricing. Trello is not that expensive, just cost you $5 for standard plan, which would be enough for you. And also have a $10 premium plan, but still, free plan offers you a lot of features and flexibility. Now, let's check out the ClickUp pricing. ClickUp mentions all the benefits you're getting with their plans. You can check each of them out. But I think their free plan has everything you will need to manage a company of around 20 to 30 people. But still, their paid plan offers you their iconic ClickUp AI. But now, let's log into ClickUp. This is how the ClickUp workspace looks like. On the left side, you will see the menu or action bar. Here this space section. In here, you can create different workspace for different purpose like clients, projects, personal, and much more. You can rename any space you want. Just right click on it, choose rename, and I rename it to client 1 and save it. You can create as many as space you want. Just click New Space. You can create new space from scratch and also use your template available in template store. And it's simple like this. Like I just created this task management space. Let's take a look in this dashboard. You can create a new task. Just click on New Task and name it and save it. Click on Task and open it. Here you can assign this to any of your team in the workspace. You can add attachment and instruction for the assignee. You can break the bigger task into small ones for subtasks in the subtask section. On the right section, you can see the activity related to the task in order. You favorite any task you want so that you find it easily. You can also share this task to your team member and all. You put the deadline in the date section, like I put tomorrow date. It's showing tomorrow in here. Now, I will show you another great feature of ClickUp. It's Docs, a full-fledged document keeper. You can create and keep SOPs documentation, vlogs, content ideas, everything here at one place. You can create new doc from here and can search from the search bar. And also ClickUp AI can help you in this section for writing and all. ClickUp also offers you goal feature, which can help you break a bigger goal into small steps and easily illustration will help you how far you are from achieving it. If you want to invite people to your workspace, simply click on Invite on below. Enter your team member email ID in Promote and invite them. You can invite them as member or admin. You get many other great features from here, like chat communication, whiteboard, screen record, reminder, and app center. That's all for ClickUp. Let's check out Trello now. Let me first log in on Trello. Here is my dashboard on my Trello. On left, you can see some options like the board, members, settings. Click on boards. Now, let's get into on my board. Here is my board. You invite your team members easily. You got to members on right. Click on invite member on top right and just enter the email of team member. You can also check member from here. Now on board, click on any card. You rename it easily like this. You can add any description or instructions here. And you can add comments here for your team and for other purposes. You can also add checklist and it can work on your to-do list or task management. And when you tick the boxes, the progress will fill up and indicates the completion of task. You can make your board more engaging by adding color label to your task like this. Add data on that label like timing or team name. Trello boards come with drag and drop features like this. You can use other features by right-clicking on the task. Now, let's check out Trello templates. In here, you can see all the templates. Here you can see on your left some templates category. Check out templates according to your needs. Just use this like by clicking on Use Template button. That's all for the Trello. Now, the conclusion time. If you're confused which one to use, do one thing. Recall what's your requirement for. If you a tool specifically for project management and a user-friendly interface, choose Trello. But if you need everything in one, like ClickUp, go for it. I personally suggest try ClickUp, as many entrepreneurs build their business on ClickUp free version. Check it out. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.